In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Google Merchant Center. To begin, open your web browser and search for Google Merchant Center. Click the official result from Google. You should land on the Merchant Center homepage. Sign in with the account you use for your store. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to Shipping and Returns. Click. Get started to create your first shipping service. This is where you tell Google how you ship orders so buyers can see accurate delivery expectations and costs. Start by giving your service a clear name that's meaningful to you, like Standard Ground or Expedited. The name is internal, but a descriptive label makes future edits easier if you add more services. Next, choose the countries you deliver to. Make sure the country selection aligns with the currency in your product feed. If your products are priced in a single currency, keep your shipping service scoped to countries that use that same currency to avoid disapprovals. Decide which products the service applies to. If the same rules fit everything you sell, apply it to all products. If some items need different rates, use the shipping label attribute in your product feed to group them, for example, heavy or fragile, and then target those labels here. This lets you maintain separate costs without duplicating your entire setup. Now set delivery times so customers see realistic estimates. Choose an order cutoff time, the time of day after which orders are processed on the next business day. Add handling time in business days to cover picking, packing, or any production lead time. Then set transit time, also in business days, to reflect how long the carrier usually takes to deliver. Accurate timing improves customer trust and ad performance. Configure your pricing. You can make shipping free by setting the rate to 0. You can charge a flat rate, such as a simple fixed amount per order. You can offer free shipping over a threshold, like free over a specific order value. You can use carrier-based rates, where Google pulls live estimates from services such as major parcel carriers. This requires accurate product weights and, ideally, dimensions in your feed. Or build range-based rules tied to order price, total weight, or item count. When everything looks right, review your selections and click Save. Keep your rates consistent with what customers see at checkout, and remember you can return to this section to refine details as your catalog or policies evolve.